eggplant parmigiana recipe. So you will need some aubergines, basil leaves, as well as Parmesan cheese. For detailed descriptions, just have a look at the video description. Some mozzarella cheese, some tomato passata, so tomato puree, an onion, some olive oil, then some flour for dusting, and salt and pepper to season. So first you're gonna wash the aubergines thoroughly and then pat them dry with a kitchen towel, as I'm doing here. Then grabbing a sharp knife, you're gonna cut them into thin slices. You can cut them in whichever direction you prefer. Here I'm kind of cutting them into small circles. Then you're gonna place the aubergines in a bowl and salt them, and then leave them to rest for an hour. This kind of draws the moisture out of them, preventing them from becoming soggy. And in the meantime, you're gonna wanna chop your onion into small cubes, as I'm doing here in the video. Yeah, you're gonna saute them in a frying pan with olive oil until they become translucent. Then you're gonna add the tomato passata to the frying pan and season with some basil leaves as well as salt and pepper. And then let it simmer at a low heat for 10 to 15 minutes and set aside. Then you're gonna rinse the cut aubergine under water and pat them dry with a paper towel. And then after placing some flour on a plate, you're gonna lightly dust the aubergine slices with this flour. Make sure to get rid of any excess flour. So I'm doing here. Do this for every individual slice. We are then gonna fry the aubergine slices in olive oil. Make sure to fry them on each side and preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Then grab your baking dish and using a wooden spoon, spread out a layer of tomato sauce, mix into the dish, then add a layer of aubergine slices, followed by some Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cubes, and tomato passata. Repeat until the baking dish is full. We suggest finishing the last layer with just cheese. You are then gonna cover the baking dish with parchment paper and bake for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes pass, remove the parchment paper and bake for another 20 minutes until golden and bubbling on top, as you will see shortly in the video. And let rest for 5 minutes and enjoy!